Hey there, welcome back to our channel where we talk about all things tech related. Today, we are going to dive into the latest developments in the field of artificial intelligence. AI has been growing at an incredible pace, and we're going to take a closer look at some of the most exciting breakthroughs that have happened recently. One of the most significant developments in AI has been the progress made in natural language processing, or NLP. NLP is a field of AI that focuses on enabling machines to understand and generate human language. Thanks to advances in NLP, we've seen the rise of virtual assistants like Siri, Alexa, and Google Assistant, which can now understand and respond to complex natural language queries. Another area where AI is making great strides is computer vision. Computer vision is the field of AI that focuses on enabling machines to see and interpret visual data. Thanks to computer vision, we've seen the development of self-driving cars, which can navigate and react to their surroundings in real time. And of course, we can't talk about AI without mentioning machine learning. Machine learning is a subset of AI that enables machines to learn and improve from experience without being explicitly programmed. Machine learning is the driving force behind many of the recent breakthroughs in AI, from image recognition to natural language processing. But perhaps the most exciting development in AI is the increasing democratization of the technology. As AI becomes more accessible, we're seeing more and more businesses and individuals harness its power to create innovative solutions to complex problems. From healthcare to finance, AI is transforming industries across the board, and the possibilities are endless. So that's a quick overview of some of the latest developments in the field of artificial intelligence. From natural language processing to computer vision, to machine learning, AI is rapidly advancing and transforming the world we live in. Thanks for watching, and be sure to subscribe to our channel for more tech-related content.